Hello everyone, I am Munmundash. Today I am going to present a research paper that is entitled by Building a Hierarchical Structure Model of Enable that Affect the Software Process Improvement in Software SMEs a Mixed Method Approach by Pooja Sharma and A.L. Sangal. Here is the content that I will discuss in this presentation. First of all, motivation. The authors are motivated by the fact that many SMEs face challenges in implementing effective SPI initiatives due to limited resources, lack of expertise, and other organizational factors. The authors are aim to identify the enablers that could help SMEs to overcome these challenges and improve their software development processes. Next, research goal and methodology. The goal of the paper is to develop a hierarchical structure model of enablers that affect software process improvement in small and medium-sized enterprise, and the methodology is divided into two phases. Phase 1, qualitative data collection and analysis, and phase 2, quantitative data collection and analysis. Here is the next research question. These questions are set to survey. First question is what are the various indicators for successful SPI in software SMEs? Can these indicators be grouped under various categories, so-called enablers? Research question 2, what is the hierarchical association among these enablers? Research question 3, what is the influencing dynamics, that is the degree of dependence among various SPI enablers? Here is the proposed framework. This proposed framework based on these two phases. Phase 1, qualitative data collection and analysis, that is conducted in literature review to identify the enablers that affect SPI in software SMEs, conducted semi-structured interviews with experts in the field of software process improvement to validate and refine the identified enablers. And here is the 5 stages. Stage 1, initial coding, focused coding, thematic coding, testing themes, and finally the theory development. In phase 2, they proposed algorithm steps for interpretive structural modeling. They developed a questionnaire survey based on the enablers identified in phase 1. Then next, the data analysis. Data analysis basically consists of SAP and LAP analysis steps. Their steps are actor, situation, processes, learning, actions, and performance. In actors, they told us who are the key actors by stakeholders, and situation basically tells us the situational status of SPIs. Next we will show some tables that is also dependent in this framework. Table 1 basically describes as the respondent, shows us the respondent profiles and company demographics that is included. Here is included project manager, developers, senior software engineers, and management representatives. And table 2 represent the summary of experts of interviews and open course. Next, the hierarchical structure model, and this is basically they designed from the answer of research question 2. First step is organization, then people, employee participation and leadership, leadership measurement and analysis, information sharing and knowledge management, technology, software project process, software development process, software support process. Then the results and finding. The study showed the results of the study showed that organization enablers have the most significant impact on SPIs in software SMEs, followed by process enablers, technology enablers, and human resource enablers. The study's findings have practical implications for software SMEs in India and other countries, as they can use this information to improve their software development process by addressing the most significant enablers that affect SPI. Then future work. Some potential future research areas are included. They can examine the various and challenges that hinder SPI in software SMEs, investigating the impact of different software development methodologies on SPI, exploring the impact of cultural differences on SPI, employing multiple data collection method, and validating the proposed model. Next, limitation of the research. The study focused only on identifying the enablers that affect software process improvement in small and medium-sized enterprises. The authors did not examine the barriers and challenges that software SMEs face when trying to implement SPI initiatives. The study collected data from a relatively small sample of SMEs in India, which may limit the generalizability of their findings to their context. Their reliance on a single data collection method, subjectivity of expert opinions, and lack of empirical testing of the proposed method. Thanks.